50-year mortgages. Yes, 50. The idea is suddenly everywhere. Political debates, economics, Twitter, real estate podcasts, and a lot of people are freaking out. The big question is this how Americans will finally afford homes again? Or is this going to make real estate even more expensive? Today I'm breaking down exactly what a 50-year mortgage is, why politicians like Trump are bringing up, what this means for you as a buyer or investor in 2025, and whether this is good news or a disaster waiting to happen. Hey everyone, my name is Sunny, Sunny, California. My goal here is to help you to make sense of what's really happening in this housing market so you can make the best decision for yourself without the confusion of the headlines. So if you're buying, selling, or just trying to understand where things are going, this channel breaks it all down in simple, real-world way. Feel free to subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the market shifts. So let's start with why. This is suddenly everywhere. During recent political conversations, the idea of 50-year mortgage came up as a way to fix affordability. The logic is, if you stretch the loan longer, the monthly payment goes down, and people can qualify for more. It's been discussed before, but with housing prices at historical highs, interest rates still sticky, and everyone screaming affordability, the idea suddenly feels real. So what is it? We all know 30-year and 50-year loans. A 50-year mortgage is basically stretching your loan balance across 600 months instead of 360. And you're not paying less for the home, you're just paying it off slower, way slower. And here's the important part. Your monthly payment become lower, but your total interest become much higher. Same reason car companies offer 84 months loans. People want lower monthly payments, and even if they pay more in the long run. So let me show you how wild this really is. Let's take 700,000 home, very basic for LA, at 7% interest. 30-year payment around $4,660 a month, 50-year payment around $4,000 a month. Yes, it can drop the monthly payment by $600 or $700, but here's the catch: you'd pay $100,000 more over time, and the bank, oh, they love this idea. They collect interest for an extra 20 years. So it's affordable at the moment, but extremely expensive in the long run. So who actually benefits from it? First-time buyers who need a lower payments. This gives them a way to finally qualify, especially in expensive markets like LA, New York, Miami, and San Francisco. Real estate investors, lower monthly, easier cash flow. If this becomes widespread, investor will snap the properties like a candy. And politicians, they get to say the fixed housing affordability without actually lowering the prices. So who gets screwed? Buyers paying a massive interest. You will pay for the same house for half of a century, and you will probably remodel the kitchen twice before you finish paying your mortgage. Future home buyers, if everyone qualifies for more, prices will rise even higher. And anyone who thinks they solve affordability. This doesn't fix why homes are expensive. It just stretches the pain. So here's the million-dollar question. If 50-year mortgages become common, will prices go up? Most likely yes. Because when people can afford higher-priced homes with lower monthly payments, the market adjusts up. This happened when 30-year mortgages were introduced. It happened when adjustable rate mortgages become mainstream. Every time financing gets easier, prices are increased. So as a realtor in Los Angeles, here my honest prediction. If 50-year mortgages become real, they will be used as a temporary bandage during tough economic periods. They won't solve the affordability crisis, but they will give people short-term breathing room. I think you will see more buyers qualifying, investors buying more, and prices will trending up, and affordability staying exactly the same. If you're planning to buy in 2025 or 2026, don't wait for 50-year mortgages to save you. Focus on getting pre-approved early, fixing your credit, finding a neighborhood that still makes sense, and working with a realtor who understands the creative financing. Okay, so what do you think? Is a 50-year mortgage a good idea or a disaster? Drop a comment, I want to hear your take. And if you're buying or relocating to Los Angeles, reach out to me. I'll help you to navigate this market without the panic.